just going to ask Alex about the party
No.
tonight.
She doesn't know anything about it. But I know she'd really love you to be there. Or she would if she knew.
JB, why is Amanda talking to Marcus?
Amanda talks to anybody, anytime. It's her reason for living.
You invited Marcus? I hardly know him. You will.
Marcus, Alex is looking for you. She really wants to talk to you. Outside?
Okay.
I play drums in Alex's band. Drumming is very underrated.
Don't they have machines that do that these days? Alex, quick. I told Marcus to meet him outside.
What? Why did you do that?
Consider it a birthday present.
You are so embarrassing.
I really think we need to rethink our whole approach to global warming.
Right.
Marcus, what are you doing? I told Alex to meet her outside.
I can't get away.
Stalking is a crime.
I heard you play guitar. Figured strings, guitar.
Thank you, Marcus. It's a perfect present. Very thoughtful.
That's cool. It's a great night.
Yeah.
Look at those stars. Just endless.
Yeah.
Oh, your parents said it was time to cut the cake.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I was just listening to the Shellman's EP. Have you heard them? They rock.
Well, actually, I've got a couple of tickets to their gig tomorrow night. And I wondered if you wanted to go.
Can't you go?
I was kind of hoping we could go together.
Oh,
I know you like them, and I don't know, I thought we could hang out or something. It'd be cool.
definitely.
So you're in?
Definitely.
Great. Well, I'll see you tomorrow.
Guys, it's cool. I've got a plan.
Which is?
Which is Marcus kisses her and I toss her behind the lockers and then bang! She turns back to normal and no one's wiser.
Are you kidding?
Trust me, all he needs is a little bit of peer persuasion. It's a guy thing. Hey, check it out. Frog. Wouldn't it be funny if someone was to kiss it? Might turn into a princess.
Don't you mean Prince?
Whatever. Come on, do it. Kiss the frog. Kiss the frog. Kiss the frog. Kiss the frog.
How old are you? 8? What do you want me to kiss the frog for?
I don't know. Could be funny. See?
That's hysterical. Look, when you see Alex, can you tell her I've got a ticket for tonight? And dude, you might want to stop kissing frogs. You smell like the inside of a drain.
Marcus is a good guy. He would have understood.
Well, understood what? Where's Alex?
She's sick in bed, remember?
You guys have been acting weird all day. If there's something you want to tell me, just tell me. I thought we were friends.
Marcus, wait. You are correct. There is something up. But it's complicated.
And there's something you could do that would really, really help.
Hasn't got anything to do with that frog, has it?
Maybe.
No, I'm out of here. Just tell Alex I'll see you at school.
Come on, man, just kiss it.
Give me one good reason why I should kiss that frog.
For the band. Yeah, it's an initiation, and we've all done it, and Alex wants you to do it too. Come on, man, it's rock and roll. Cool, kiss the frog.
No, I don't think that's a good
Come on,
idea.
man, don't be a wuss.
You people need help. Serious medical help.
Hey guys.
Hi.
Marcus.
Alex, can we talk for a sec?
Yeah, sure.
Alone?
Okay. What's up? You need another guitar string?
No, it's not that. I mean, yeah, I do need another bottom me, but... okay. Alex, for ages, I've been trying to think of the perfect way. And I'm stumped. I'm dry, I've got nothing. I've just decided to ask you. Will you go out with me? On a real date? Did I say something wrong?
No, it's just... That was a perfect way. I mean, I do. I mean, sure. Yes.
Brilliant. Tomorrow? I was thinking we hire a boat or something, you know, go rowing in the river. Too lame.
No, it sounds perfect.
Well, here we are.
Wow. Marcus, this is perfect. Marcus, there's something I really need to tell you. I'm the princess of a magical land named Manjipur.
Oh, wow. I always knew you were special. It is perfect. The weather, the river, the... What?
There's just something I need to tell you.
Yeah, sure, Alex, in a sec. Can you just hand me the oars, please?
Sure. Actually, I've been wanting to tell you for quite some time now. Oh! Marcus! Oh no! Marcus!
Sure, Alex, in a sec. Can you just hand me the... Sometimes I think you can read my mind. Actually, I kind of like it here. It's peaceful, it's perfect.
Good.
Now, what was it you wanted to tell me?
Oh, Marcus? I have a secret.
So do I.
You do?
Huh? There's something I've wanted to do all day.
Oh, yeah, I know. But not yet. There's someone I need you to meet first. Anala!
Who's Anala? Whoa! Hey, it's an elephant. Where did you get it?
Well, that's the other part to the secret. Oh, you're gonna love this. Anala's kind of my friend, and she transports me between here and my magical kingdom. You see, I'm heir to the throne of a magical land named Manchipur. I'm a princess. I cannot tell you how good that feels to get out in the open. I'm so relieved.
What is this? Are you setting me up or what?
No, Marcus, I swear. You can ask JB and Amanda if you don't believe me.
You say you're a princess. And everybody else knows but me.
Well, not everybody.
Yeah. Sorry, this is just a bit nuts. Maybe I better go.
No, Marcus, please, let me explain. Kuru was right. I should have told you much earlier.
So Kuru knows as well.
Yes, but Kuru's not who you think either. He's here to help me learn my magic.
Alex, just stop it, okay? I get the point.
What?
We've obviously changed your mind about going out with me, and now you're making up all this wacky stuff, I don't know, to get rid of me. Well, listen, you could have just told me straight. You didn't have to hire an elephant.
Marcus, I'm magic, I swear. See, I just put my hands in the air.
Listen, I'm going. Whoa, what is this? What is happening to me?
Oh no, I did it again. Marcus, it's not you, it's me. I'm always making silly mistakes like this.
No, get away from me.
Relax, I can fix it.
Oh, this isn't happening. It's a dream.
Princess, you're back.
You bring my body back.
What have you done to Marcus?
I didn't mean to.
No, whoa. Now, what was it you wanted to tell me?
Marcus? Nothing. There was nothing.
Did I do something wrong?
No, of course not.
Maybe I should go.
Okay.
Okay. Well, thanks. I had a great time.
Me too.
I'll see you tomorrow then.